Welcome to our comparison of two popular compact dryers, the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 and the portable clothes dryer. Today, we'll explore their features, performance, and customer feedback to help you decide which one is right for you. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to price, the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 is significantly more expensive at $369, while the portable clothes dryer is a budget-friendly option at just $59. This price difference reflects the capacity and features of each dryer, making the BLACK+DECKER a more substantial investment for those needing a larger drying capacity. In terms of capacity, the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 can handle up to 13.2 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for larger loads. In contrast, the portable clothes dryer is designed for very small loads, making it ideal for quick drying, but not for larger laundry needs. This difference is crucial for users with varying laundry requirements. Feature-wise, the BLACK+DECKER offers 4 drying modes, including air dry, cool, warm, and hot, providing versatility for different fabric types. On the other hand, the portable clothes dryer has only 2 heat settings, which may limit its functionality for various drying needs. This makes the BLACK+DECKER a more versatile option for users with diverse laundry. In conclusion, if you're looking for a compact dryer that can handle larger loads and offers multiple drying options, the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 is an excellent choice despite its higher price. However, if you're in need of a lightweight, portable solution for small loads and budget constraints, the portable clothes dryer could be the right fit for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.